Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Greerco inline colloid mill. Has a 2 horsepower drive. This is the W250 model. We like to take them apart because we want to see the condition of the rotor, and this one's in pretty good shape. And of course this is the stator right here, you can see in there. Looks pretty good as well. Got a little bit of bearing noise. They're running on 460 volt. And we're just going to turn our power on over here.
That is the rear bearing you're hearing. That can be replaced very easily. But the mill's running smooth. Get off of the mill reconditioned. And we have lots
of processing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.